I see you have also improved in the last few days that we have not talked.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, Dipali. Good morning. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How are you doing, dear?
Oh, I am fine. I'm good as well. We switched locations for this session.
Yes.
So, which place is this one?
This is on the same place, but I turn my camera. Like
Oh,
I move my camera. Yes.
okay, okay. And how
Yeah.
have you been so far? How were clapping sessions?
Yeah. Everything is going good, and I'm trying to improve my communication skill.
You feel like as if you will just start to cry. Like you're so
Not like that.
overwhelmed.
Wait. Now am I looking good?
You look pretty even when you didn't do anything.
Thank you, dear.
Okay. What update me on things that you did so far? How was life? What
Sketching.
changed?
Sketching. I didn't sketch. It's been a 2 month, and it is a relief for me. I always sketch something, even it is not perfect. I try cartoons, whatever it is, and I enjoy my time while sketching.
Oh, and I noticed in your profile you updated that you're searching for a job. It was not there earlier.
I don't know why. What happened? Clapping go crashes sometimes. So because of that, like it is because of weather and
Oh,
setting it change. Yeah.
oh, is it? That can happen? I did not think so. Okay. So, are
Yeah.
you planning to get a job anyway or not?
Yes. Actually, I'm planning for a job, searching for a job, and I'm waiting for a placement drive. It will only this month only. So let's see. I have words with my one of my teacher, and I asked him. So he didn't
Okay.
release that date. So let's see. He was talking about it might be next week, something like that. Yes.
So, which profile are you looking forward to? Like, which industry are you moving to get into?
Actually, I completed my certification course in budget finance. Also, I do have experience of their classes and do have knowledge about banking sector. So I'm interested in banking sector.
Okay. And
Yeah.
that's where you'll get your job, right? In the banking sector.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And how long do you plan to work for? Like, will you work until you get retired?
Everyone has some plan, but you do not think that I do have plan or not. I do not have any plan. Like I think that right now I do not have any job in my hand, and I'm just thinking of retirement. So I think that's
That
okay. I don't want
makes
to be
sense.
tired.
That was an absurd question. True, honestly.
Yes.
I am driven by motivation of money. Like a lot of my motivation or my discipline comes from the fact that if I work today, I'll get paid for it, and then I can go and buy the expensive shoes that I want or the dresses
Yes.
that I want. So
Yes.
are
How
you
much
driven?
salary do you want? Yeah. How much salary do you want in your very first as a fresher? If
As
someone
a
gives you
fresher?
opportunity. Hmm.
Like if I were an engineer from IIT, I would have
Okay.
expected no less than 25 lakhs a year,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Uh, but if I were a normal engineer, I would
Hmm.
have not expected any less than 25,000 per month.
Yeah.
An average engineer earns only 25,000 rupees, probably,
Yes.
a month.
25,000. Yes. I do agree. I do agree. Yeah.
Like, if I were an engineer from IIT, I would expect like 25 lakhs.
Yes.
So I'm moving for MBA, and if
Hmm.
I get into IIMs, I will not expect any less than 35 LPA as a fresher.
Yeah.
But if I don't make it to IIMs and if I make to a tier 2 college, then I will have to settle in with 15 lakhs per annum.
Yeah. So do you think that like money is actually matters in our life, or like some people are there, they actually earning money but they are not satisfied in their life? Uh,
It
what do
depends.
you think on this? Yeah.
So everyone has different likes and wants, right? Everybody wants. So somebody is a writer and they want to write, but they get a high paying job which is not writing. And
Hmm.
now they got into that job because it pays. So they will naturally be upset because they
Yes.
wanted something out of life, but they're doing something else. So if even if they have money, they're still not able to do something they like. In
Hmm.
my particular case,
Hmm.
there is nothing that I like. And
So yeah, please go ahead.
there's nothing that I like. So I can get into any field. I came into teaching field because I can. Not that I had any background with teaching, but I
Hmm.
came into this field because I could have. And so I did. Earlier, I was in the manufacturing industry as the planning head. I went there
Okay,
because I
that's
could do
good.
that,
Yeah.
not because I wanted to.
Yeah.
Right. So again, I'm moving for MBA is because I can do that. I have the background and I
Hmm.
will be a good management student because I have worked as a manager earlier. So I was like,
Okay,
okay.
you quite a good experience. If you apply for job, anyone can hire you. If I'm HR and you're just sticking with me, once you are hired by me, join for tomorrow.
Yeah, but it's not that great as well. But I am not driven by my passion basically. What I
Hmm.
want to do is not something that will fetch me money. That's just my pure interest, and I can do it in my own time. But to be able to have my own time, I need to earn enough money
Yes.
so that I can stop working and have my own time.
Yes. Do you think that plans work according to us? If it's not, so
Not necessarily.
what? Hmm.
Not necessarily. Plans don't always have to work according to us. But
Yeah.
having a plan is still better than having a no plan. What if the plan does work according to us and we are not
But
prepared?
what? Yes. What do you think that like without any plan, you keep doing whatever you are doing, and you do know like where you are see yourself in upcoming few years. So
That's
you are not making plan, but that is not exactly plan, but you do have something in your mind that that goal is in your mind. So it's happening. It just flow.
these techniques that happen, right? I don't know what will happen in the future, so I continue to do whatever I do today.
Yes.
These kind of techniques work only for short term goals, like let's say for 2 3 years. For 2 3 years you may not have a major goal in your life, but if you
Hmm.
have a longer vision or something, if you have a strong vision ahead, like let's say 10 years later I want to reach at this particular place XYZ.
Yes.
So every small thing that you do will shape your future tomorrow. So even if you go with flow today, you should try and take up on projects and work that will help you achieve that goal 10 years later.
Yes.
You can't just blindly go with whatever comes in front of you. Like let's say you got a bad opportunity. Don't grab a bad opportunity.
Yeah, actually, sometime we do have like that energy has made something other plans for you.
Um, I I don't really believe that. So I practice energies and
Hmm.
I practice auras and vibes.
How
So
do you do this? Could you please share like how do
so
you
this
do
is
this
this
practice?
comes. I don't know how people relate to this or not, but my family relates with this a lot, and we have been able to achieve a lot many things because of this. So
Manifesting, I don't know manifestation.
yes, it's more or less kind of manifesting. But then manifesting is not just that we continue to keep thinking about it, that oh, I want that black dress, and then I keep thinking about it, and then someday naturally that black dress comes in front of me. That's not how it happens.
Yes.
The idea is that you keep that goal in your mind continuously,
Hmm.
and you manifest through your actions, not through your thought process. And
Okay.
The idea is that you believe in yourself that, oh, whatever black energies that I will get, I will block it on my own. That's the first confidence part, psychological part. And
Hmm.
second is every small step that you make, like every small money. Let's say I earn 100 rupees today,
Hmm.
and that black dress is for 2000 rupees. So I'm like, oh, I earned 100 rupees. Tomorrow I'll earn another 100 rupees for that black dress.
Okay.
Those decisions, and I make those manifesting decisions every day to achieve that goal. However fast.
According to, yeah, according to that manifestation, you work on that. Like if you
Yeah.
earn 100 rupees today, so you give your best than your yesterday.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
that's
that
called.
I also believe in it. I agree with you 100%. Yeah.
I think that has worked with me so far. Like I wanted to get into a national institute, I got into a national institute.
Oh,
Uh,
nice.
yes. So and I wanted to finish something. I did that. I wanted to get better health wise. I was there was a
Hmm.
time I was not able to walk at all. For 1 month, I couldn't walk.
Okay, why? But why? What means what? Why?
I had some bone condition, and
Okay.
all my bones freezed basically. So I had terrible pain when I moved.
Okay. So
So
now
for
are
one,
you okay?
yes, yes, and that that happened because of the actions that I took. And it was not
Yes.
long ago. We are in September. That happened in March.
Hmm.
April,
Yes.
May, June, July, August. 5 months later, I can
Hmm.
run at 8 kilometer per hour speed. So far,
Nice.
11, 11. I've reached 11, but I can run only for 30 seconds at 11
Yeah.
kilometer per hour. But things start to work if I
Yes.
manifest them that, oh, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this.
Hmm.
I don't necessarily have any interest or passion as such. That, oh, I want to
So
be a
do you
writer.
like to do meditation in everyday routine?
No, no, meditation is not my part. So
Hmm.
what I do is every day I think, like psychologically, I think that, oh, you are a bad person. Let's say if somebody comes across me and I consider them not good enough, not with good
Hmm.
energy. Let's say I consider them with bad energy. So I,
Okay.
in my heart, I have this confidence that whatever kind of energy you have, it's not stronger than mine.
Okay. Yes.
So that is the kind of belief. So anyone who tries to belittle me or suppress me, I'm able to reject them. I'm like, that's my usual expression.
Okay. Yeah. Nice.
Okay, okay. But I see you have also improved in the last few days that we have not talked. You make
Yes.
lesser
Yes,
and
dear.
lesser.
Yeah, actually, dear, your tricks is working. Like taking pauses instead of using fillers. I'm actually doing that. Like still some of Today are there. They're asking me speed up, speed up, speed up. I'm telling them yes. I'm speeding up. Wait for a while.
But it works, right? You are. I can see that you did not use fillers so far.
Yes.
That's why I
Um,
noticed that you were fluent, more fluent than you were before.
yes. Thank you, dear, because of you.
Thank you. And did you start paraphrasing activity?
Yeah. Sometime I do, but I do not skipping that writing part. I keep doing.
Writing part?
Yes, I few session back I shared you my one of like
The
script.
writings.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Yes, you should. Why am I asking for that reading and paraphrasing activity? Is because if this activity, taking pauses and speaking, helped with your fillers,
Hmm.
that will enhance your output of efforts.
Yes,
Right? So
I do
you need
agree.
to read, yes, you need to read a couple of minutes, let's say 1 or 2 paragraphs only, and
Hmm.
then try to think of various ways that you can rephrase those sentences in your own words. That way you
Yes.
will be able to make better sentence structures. Now you have reached a good level of English.
Hmm.
Dipali, you have to understand from now onwards there
Hmm.
won't be a significant change in your speech.
Yes.
Right? If you continue to take pauses and speak, it will maintain this level.
Yeah.
right? There won't be significant improvement now onwards. If you continue to speak, it will be just used to maintain that level that you have reached now. To
Yes.
increase any, to have more improvements, to increase any further improvements, you will have to deploy other techniques.
Yeah, I will, dear. Yeah.
Yeah. So do read a couple of paragraphs every day and try to rephrase it in your own words.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm doing this with videos. I'm watching videos and I'm trying to remember that scenario, and I'm sharing that scenario with tutors and people whom I know, my siblings and all.
Um, that would be a little different from the activity. It will still help, but it's
Yeah.
a little different. Why? Because what you will be telling other people is no more than a summary or no less than a summary. That
Yeah.
in that video, so and so person did this, did that, they said this, they said that. Right? So
Hmm.
you are always talking in third perspective, right?
Yes.
Third person. You are not acting like the author.
Yeah.
So if you act like the author, then you will be forced to use the different words in the same sentence structure. So I go to school, instead of I go to school, you should be able to say I commute to school. Instead
Hmm.
of school, you could have said a place of study. So I commute to a place of study. It's
Yes.
the same sentence structure. I go to school, I commute to school. You only replace the words from go to commute,
Yes.
right? That is what I'm asking you to practice, because that will train a specific kind of muscle,
Yeah.
right? That will help you get better at your words. Here you are getting better at narration, how
Hmm.
good of a narrator you are.
But
Say this, say
while
this.
I narrating a story, I take a pauses, like I say, like this comes automatically instead of pauses. I don't know why, but it happens.
That happens because still there is still some struggle in your mind where you're not able to think of the words
Yes.
as fast as you should.
Yeah.
And the most efficient act, that taking pauses is a way to get rid of that filler habit. That
Yes.
speaking of, it's not a replacement of